When I posted about construction virtual assistants, what I noticed is that people were thinking na kailangan pala may ka-experience ka ganyan. Actually, what I would refer to it is General Virtual Assistants plus plus. The plus plus is for the systems or tools that you specialize in. So if you're planning on offering administrative support, but hindi na lang admin task, kundi specialized skills na rin yung i-offer mo. You have experience sa construction, engineering, architecture. And so again, General Virtual Assistants, maraming kalaban, a little bit lower yung pay. But if you try and specializing sa construction, you'd have in-demand skill, you get higher pay. Obviously, alam mo na kung ano pipiliin mo. Sorry, balikutan naman yung camera ko. Alam ko marami nagre-reklamo dyan. But nagwo-walking ako, pero kailangan kong sagutin to. Ngayon lang daw lumabas sa FYP niya, kung pwede daw po bang humabol. Ito yung promo namin na $499 nung mag-launch siya. And tapos na siya nung araw na yun kasi September drop yun. However, dahil 10-10 today, naka-promo siya $899 nang. Lahat ng classes namin will have 10% off. So kung gusto nyo mag-join sa class 15 and 16, this coming week na to ha. Punta lang kayo sa Blue, mag-comment kayo ng construction or punta kayo sa profile ko, i-click nyo tong link sa bio ko, tapos piliin nyo GitHub. Tapos pagdating nyo dito guys, makikita nyo na dyan, hanapin nyo na lang Construction VA, tapos i-click nyo sa baba, click to join Construction VA, and it will take you to the form, which will also have, by the way, let me check din just to be sure, but it will also have our course outline. So kasama na dito yung internship, you get to try the tool, paano nga ba mag-apply as a virtual assistant, kumpleto na yan. And again, just for today, 10-10 na promo. Nag-isip ako. Hinihingal ako. 10-10 na promo. $899 lang siya. So mag-join na kayo because closing na rin itong class na to. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow from our work from home chismis. Bye!